The James Webb Space Telescope, our latest cosmic eye, has just spotted something that's sending shivers down scientists' spines. Hidden in the vastness of space, this object challenges everything we thought we understood. Is it a clue to a new cosmic phenomenon? Or could it be something far more ominous, something we were never meant to discover? James Webb Telescope just captured a mysterious object, an interstellar intruder, hurtling through space, defying all logic and expectation. On October 19, 2017, a cosmic traveler from another star system made its presence known. Scientists dubbed it Oumuamua, meaning scout or messenger in Hawaiian. But this was no ordinary visitor. It had been silently journeying through the void of space for centuries, unnoticed by astronomers and telescopes, until that fateful day when it passed through our solar system. To paint a picture, think of our solar system as a quiet neighborhood, and Oumuamua was an uninvited guest, speeding through with no warning. Unlike anything we've ever seen, this cosmic intruder zipped past the sun at an incredible speed, leaving scientists scratching their heads. Initially, astronomers thought it might be a comet, a familiar sight in space. But something was off. It didn't behave like any comet we've encountered. There was no telltale gas or dust cloud, no shimmering tail following it like a ghostly comet should have. And yet, this object wasn't just coasting by. It was accelerating as it sped away from the sun. What was this thing? As scientists began to study Oumuamua, they quickly realized that its shape was just as baffling as its behavior. Imagine a cigar, long and thin, about 800 meters long and only 80 meters wide. Nothing in our solar system matched this odd, elongated structure. Most space rocks are roughly spherical or potato-shaped. This one, it was like a shard of some cosmic puzzle we didn't even know existed. What's more, Oumuamua was spinning. Every 7.3 hours, it completed a full rotation, brightening and dimming in the process. It was as if it were sending out a signal, flickering like a distant lighthouse on a stormy sea. But what was the message? And who, or what, sent it? Now, here's where things get really wild. Some scientists began to wonder if Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all. Could it be an alien probe? A spacecraft from another star system, sent to investigate Earth and its surroundings? One Harvard professor, Avi Loeb, took this idea seriously. He argued that the object's acceleration couldn't be explained by anything we've seen before. No comet, asteroid, or known space object behaves like this. What if, he suggested, this was technology, an ancient, advanced spacecraft sent by a distant civilization? Others dismissed this idea as too far-fetched, but the mystery remained. Why was Oumuamua speeding up? Why didn't it leave any signs of gas or dust like a comet would? And why did it have that bizarre shape, unlike anything we've seen before? As more data poured in, the theories started to multiply. Some thought it might be a chunk of rock blasted from another planet during a cosmic collision, a wandering fragment cast out into the cold abyss of interstellar space. Others believed it could be a new kind of comet or asteroid, one we've never encountered before. There's even a theory that Oumuamua might be made of nitrogen ice, a piece of a Pluto-like object that was shattered in some distant catastrophe. If that were true, it would explain the object's speed and strange composition. But here's the kicker. Oumuamua was on a hyperbolic trajectory, a cosmic boomerang. It wasn't bound to our solar system like most comets or asteroids. It was just passing through, like a traveler who steps into a room, leaves behind a trail of confusion, and vanishes without a trace. As Oumuamua sped away from the sun, something strange happened. It started to accelerate. Normally, objects slow down as they move away from the gravitational pull of a star. But Oumuamua was doing the opposite. It was gaining speed, as if some invisible force was pushing it along. In the world of space exploration, this is like finding a car that accelerates without pressing the gas pedal. It just doesn't make sense. Scientists struggled to find an explanation. Was it outgassing, like a comet releasing gas as it warmed up near the sun? No, there was no evidence of that. So, what was powering Oumuamua's mysterious boost? One team of researchers proposed that cosmic rays, high-energy particles zipping through space, might have caused hydrogen trapped inside the object to escape, providing a small but significant push. But not everyone agrees. Critics, like Professor Loeb, argue that this explanation doesn't account for all the data. They believe something else is at play, something we haven't yet discovered. While some dismiss the alien probe theory as fantasy, it's hard to shake the feeling that Oumuamua is more than just a wandering rock. After all, this is the first interstellar object we've ever observed passing through our solar system. Could it really be a coincidence that it defies so many expectations? Could this be our first encounter with alien technology? Whatever the truth is, Oumuamua has opened a Pandora's box of questions. Is our solar system being watched? Are we alone in the universe? Or are there other civilizations out there, sending out scouts to explore the stars? We may not have the answers today, but the discovery of Oumuamua has changed the way we think about our place in the cosmos. Even though Oumuamua is now speeding away from us, lost to the depths of interstellar space, its legacy lives on. Scientists are now searching for more objects like it, and with new, more powerful telescopes coming online in the next decade, we may soon have the tools to find them. And here's where things get even more intriguing. Recent discoveries suggest that Oumuamua may not be alone. Another mysterious object has been detected, possibly traveling along a similar path. Could this be a companion? Another messenger from the stars? Or something even stranger? As we continue to peer deeper into the cosmos, one thing is clear. The universe still holds many secrets. And with every new discovery, we edge closer to understanding the true nature of reality. But for now, Oumuamua remains an enigma, a cosmic mystery that may haunt our imaginations for years to come. With Oumuamua now out of reach, scientists are racing to find its next cosmic counterpart. We're standing at the dawn of a new era in astronomy, where we may encounter more objects from beyond our solar system, each bringing its own mysteries. New telescopes, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, are poised to revolutionize our ability to track these visitors. But here's the chilling thought. What if the next object we detect is even more unexplainable? What if it doesn't just pass through but changes course? Or worse, stops? Could we be on the verge of a discovery that forces us to rethink everything we know about space, time, and life itself? And what if, just what if, Oumuamua wasn't merely a random traveler but a message? Some researchers believe that objects like this could be evidence of interstellar communication, ancient messengers sent from one civilization to another. If that's the case, what was Oumuamua trying to tell us? Was it a simple wave from a distant star? Or could it be something more ominous, like a warning? The more we learn, the more it feels like we're reading the first few pages of a cosmic story that's been unfolding for billions of years. And we're only just now beginning to understand our role in it. So, what do you think? Was Oumuamua a simple chunk of rock? Or could it have been something more? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain. The universe is full of surprises, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. The next time we spot an interstellar visitor, will we be ready to uncover its secrets? Or will we once again be left in the dark, wondering what's out there? What if Oumuamua was just one of many silent watchers observing us from the far reaches of space? Some theorists suggest that advanced civilizations could send these interstellar objects to gather information without ever needing to make direct contact. If that's the case, how many more have passed by unnoticed? Could our solar system be a crossroads for cosmic travelers, and we're only now beginning to notice the traffic? Each new discovery could reveal not just the secrets of the universe, but perhaps the presence of other intelligent life, quietly monitoring us from afar. But even as we prepare for future encounters, there's a sense of unease. The vastness of space hides countless mysteries, many of which could challenge the very core of our understanding. What if these visitors aren't just rare anomalies, but part of a larger cosmic puzzle we've yet to piece together? The deeper we look into the universe, the more we realize how little we know. We've opened a door to the unknown, and while the discoveries ahead may bring answers, they may also raise questions that we aren't ready to face. Could we be on the brink of a revelation that changes everything? Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time.